Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see balance on your PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to see your balance on your PayPal account, it is very simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure to log in into your account. And after you're logged into your account, and in case you have two-factor authentication turned on, all you need to do is you'll have to enter the code that will be sent through your text, and then you'll be able to see the exact PayPal balance on your main page. And in case if you don't have a two-factor authentication, then what you need to do is you have the home page right over here. So then you'll have to tap on the trial bar icon located in the top left corner of your screen. So as soon as you tap on it, on the other side you have a list of options. So what you need to do is you have to tap on balance, which is on the second last option. And after you tap on balance, on the other interface you'll be able to see the exact balance that is on your PayPal account. So that is how you can see your balance on your PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.